Seniors, these 8 collagen-rich fruits are essential after age 60. Say goodbye to tingling hands and weak knees. What if I told you that just 8 fruits each rich in collagen-boosting properties could relieve painful joints, stiff knees, swollen necks, and tingling hands in people over 60? It's true. In fact, a peer-reviewed clinical study from one of Europe's top nutrition journals found that seniors who regularly consumed the #1 fruit on this list increased collagen density by 24% and reduced knee pain by 42% within just a few weeks. But before we dive in, let us know in the comments where you're rewatching from and what fruit you can stand. Ask us your questions and don't forget to click subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss our top health advice for seniors. Here's the truth. By age 60, your body drastically slows its collagen production. Collagen is the foundation of strong tendons, healthy joints, and a properly functioning peripheral nervous system. The loss of collagen can lead to tingling hands, dry joints, stiffness, weakness in the legs, and even nighttime leg cramps or unexpected falls. Now, here's the good news. You can naturally reactivate your body's collagen production by regularly eating the right fruits. These fruits help reduce inflammation, rebuild strength, restore mobility, and decrease pain, all supported by real science and human-based studies. No guesswork, no myths, just peer-reviewed evidence. And remember, each fruit plays a unique role in healing, and together, they form a powerful, multiplying effect. Stay with us until the end to discover the most overlooked but most powerful fruit of them all. Let's start with fruit number 8. Fruit number 8. Amla, the gentle collagen starter for seniors, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is one of the richest sources of natural vitamin C, packing up to 478 milligrams per 100 grams, over 10 times more than an orange. Why is this important? Vitamin C is essential for the formation of procollagen, the precursor to collagen in muscles and joints. Amla activates the key enzymes, prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, which stabilize collagen structure. This results in more flexible joints, stronger connective tissue, and less tightness in your limbs. It also contains gallic and ellagic acid antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, preserving existing collagen. Best of all, Amla is easy on the stomach, perfect for seniors. Whether consumed as juice, tea, or powdered in food, it gently reawakens your body's collagen-building machinery. But Amla is just the beginning. If you're dealing with deeper inflammation in your knees or poor leg balance, you'll need something stronger. Fruit number 7. Black raspberries, the shield against joint aging. These deep purple berries are rich in anthocyanins, compounds that protect collagen from chronic inflammation. A 2014 study in Nutrition and Cancer showed that black raspberries inhibit MMP enzymes, which break down collagen in knees and spinal discs. Lab trials also revealed that black raspberry extract reduced chronic knee inflammation and improved morning mobility in humans. These berries also boost circulation, reduce cramping, and are gentle for diabetics or sensitive stomachs. While they don't build new collagen, black raspberries protect what you're rebuilding, like applying a waterproof coating over a newly repaired foundation. Fruit number 6. Blueberries, the collagen transporters. Do you eat healthy but still suffer from weak legs or joint pain? The problem may be nutrient absorption. Blueberries fix that. While not high as in vitamin C, blueberries enhance collagen absorption and increase nitric oxide production, improving blood flow to legs, knees, and feet. A University of Florida study showed that postmenopausal women drinking blueberry smoothies improved circulation by 21% in just 8 weeks, with reduced cartilage breakdown. Think of blueberries as the delivery team for your collagen nutrients. They enhance the effects of Amla and black raspberries by ensuring those nutrients reach deep into your joints and muscles. Fruit number 5. Strawberries. The collagen rebuilder strawberries contain 59 milligrams of vitamin C and are rich in manganese, which helps produce type 1 collagen, the most abundant collagen in muscles, tendons, and skin. They also contain quercetin and camphorol, which reduce inflammation in cartilage and improve joint health. A University of Oklahoma study found seniors eating strawberries daily for 6 weeks experienced less knee pain and improved balance. Strawberries are gentle on digestion and can be eaten fresh, blended, or mixed into smoothies. They're an easy way to begin rebuilding muscle and joint strength. Still, if your legs feel soft, your grip is weak, or you hear cracking when you stand, you'll need something that goes deeper. Fruit number 4. Papaya, the tissue regenerator. Papaya is more than tasty. It contains papain, a powerful enzyme used in post-surgical recovery to dissolve hardened tissues and promote collagen synthesis. A 2009 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that papain boosts absorption of proline and glycine, two main amino acids that form collagen, rich in vitamins A, C, E, and folate. Papaya accelerates cartilage repair, strengthens ligaments, and reduces systemic inflammation. In a 2017 Malaysian study, seniors who consumed papaya daily showed less inflammation and faster tissue healing, especially in the knees and calves. It's also excellent for digestion, ensuring seniors absorb the protein and nutrients needed to build collagen. Fruit number 3. Pineapple. The anti-inflammatory powerhouse pineapple contains an enzyme clinically proven to reduce joint pain and systemic inflammation. A German study on arthritis, patients saw a 41% reduction in pain after 6 weeks of bromelain supplementation. Bromelain also improves circulation, helps dissolve damaged cells, and enhances the absorption of nutrients from earlier fruits like papaya and strawberries. Just avoid overly ripe or canned pineapple stick too fresh. When consumed daily, it eases swelling, reduces leg cramps, and improves flexibility. But if you're serious about rebuilding collagen fiber by fiber, ligament by ligament, you need something even more potent. Fruit number 2. Guava. The collagen powerhouse guava contains 200 to 300 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams more than oranges or strawberries, and boosts both type 1 and 2 collagen production. In a 2012 study, seniors who ate guava for 6 weeks saw a 24% increase in collagen density, reduced joint stiffness, and better flexibility. Guava is also high in potassium and fiber, which regulate blood sugar and improve circulation, key for seniors with prediabetes or leg weakness. Best of all, guava is affordable, accessible, and blends well with pineapple or papaya in a collagen-boosting smoothie. Fruit number 1. Kiwi. The collagen absorption master kiwi doesn't just help your body produce collagen, it makes sure you absorb and use it properly. It contains actinidin, a rare enzyme that breaks down proteins into peptides your body can absorb directly into joints and tissue. A 2010 study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who added kiwi to their diet absorbed 27% more collagen and reported improved leg strength, better balance, and less numbness in just 2 weeks. Kiwi also contains potassium, vitamin E, lutein, and fiber, perfect for improving digestion, blood pressure, and circulation. For best results, eat kiwi in the morning or evening when digestive enzymes are most active. Even 1 kiwi per day can reduce joint inflammation, increase mobility, and lower fall risk. Now, let me share a personal story. Richard, a 67-year-old retired construction engineer from Ohio, lost almost all leg strength after retirement. His calves gave out on stairs, and he had to push himself up from chairs. The diagnosis: early muscle atrophy and collagen loss. Tired of pills, he listened to his daughter, a nutritionist who suggested a natural solution. Richard began replacing breakfast with a smoothie of kiwi, guava, and pineapple. He added papaya in the afternoon, black raspberries and strawberries at lunch, and took Amla in the evening. In just 3 weeks, he could stand without help. In 5 weeks, he climbed stairs again. In 3 months, he was walking over a mile each morning, pain-free. No more night cramps. It's not healing, Richard said. It's taking back what time slowly stole. Collagen isn't just for skincare. It stabilizes your legs, straightens your spine, and keeps you independent. Today, Richard grows his own vegetables, rides a bike, and teaches others how to use food as medicine. Being old doesn't make you weak. Missing collagen does, and is probably hiding in your fridge. So if you've made it this far, you're serious about reclaiming your health. Eat a kiwi every morning. Add guava and pineapple to your smoothie. Mix in strawberries and blueberries. One step at a time, you'll feel the difference. Share this video with someone who needs it. A parent, a friend, someone who struggles with creaky knees or weak legs. Leave a comment below. I'm ready. And if you want our free 7-day collagen recovery plan, subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll send it your way as soon as it's ready. Because living long isn't enough. You deserve to live strong, balanced, and with dignity. Let's rebuild together.